In front of me is Nothing Phone 3A, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to hit Special Features. Now tap on Gestures to access one-handed mode and use this switcher to turn it on. Then make sure Full Screen into Reach is on and swipe down from the bottom edge of your screen to enter one-handed mode. As you can see, mine is working properly. To go back, swipe up or click on this area. To disable one-handed mode completely, use the same No Blue switcher. If you are using 3 buttons navigation though, this option will be disabled and not accessible. That's why you need to scroll all the way down and click on this switcher next to one-handed mode shortcut instead. Hit OK, and then enter one-handed mode thanks to this shortcut. To disable it, tap on the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!